Today we're bringing you to HomePro in Surin, Thailand. We're going to share items that we've purchased for the renovation of our house. We did the pre-sale business already, so where we went through and selected everything that we were wanting, and now we're going to be able to show you item by item. I know there'll be some people interested in quality and products that they have, so we'll go find out. So anyhow, I'm going to use this soundbar, Samsung, $49.90. And I'm going to be going with this 65-inch TV.
He subscribed already.
Okay. It's a 65-inch QLED. We don't need bigger than that because we're going to keep it in our bedroom. It's probably the only one we'll have in the house in this day. The next thing we're going to go to share the tile that we selected. They have so many choices to choose from here. We went with granite flooring in the kitchen and a lot of the bedrooms, but we went with this tile setup for both bathrooms. Now the flooring is going to be somewhat different, and the design is going to be running this way with this decorative tile. So both bathrooms are going to be done with this same flooring here because it's very rough and not going to be as slippery. So that's the flooring and the other tile, and both bathrooms are going to be done the same way. Now these are the granite floors. I have to find the one that we chose. Oh, it's this one right here. So this flooring here, they're big pieces. They're like 18 inches, I guess. Anyhow, that'll be the floor for the kitchen. So the whole kitchen will be done out of that. And the upstairs will be done out of this one here. The whole upstairs living area and bedrooms on the second floor. So I've had to have interpreting done for me on almost everything because I know nothing. I can't speak Thai at all. So it's been somewhat challenging. Let's see if we can remember everything that we were choosing from. The cabinets. We originally selected this style for the entire cabinet, and they talked us out of it because of the stainless steel that's all around. It doubled the cost. So it wasn't so important that I had to do that, so we went with this style here that doesn't have the stainless steel. It's basically the same thing, just no stainless steel in it. Is that right, Jai? Oh, and everything has the soft close on all the cabinets and all the drawers. And I'll place a picture again of the actual design of the kitchen. And the gal that did the design is not here.
trong video.
So everybody is so friendly here. Everybody is very friendly. That one.
คือพี่ไม่ได้มาชมกับเขาตอนนั้น
Yeah.
เขามากับพี่
Yeah, it's this one here. So this was the actual toilet that we chose, selected, and it has the built-in bun gun right on it, which is basically just those two little jets right there, clean if you're male or female.
You chose this too?
Yeah, I chose this. And
You
then
don't
the
have to
sink.
put the lid anything?
No, it comes,
Or they come like this?
and they have replacement that you can order.
อ๋อเขาสั่งอันนี้พี่ไม่ได้สั่งด้วย
Okay. Then the sink. And we're going to put those in both bathrooms.
ไม่ได้ว่า
And the sink, this is the sink that we went to. And it's $1,050 for the sink, and then $790 for the fixtures that go in it. And we went with the bronze finished fixtures. Okay. So that covers the bathroom. So we went with, there's only two refrigerators with the built-in ice maker and water dispenser. So we went with the Samsung. As you can see, it was $53,990.
Do you remember what price the person who bought you buy this first get clearance? You remember?
Literally one day. We got a one-day sale, and I think we ended up getting it. Yeah, we were the first person that came to look that particular day. They had a one-day sale for $43,990. So we got the refrigerator for $10,000 less than literally the next guy behind us looking to buy one is going to pay that full price. What do you got?
เดินจะไป
ที่บ้านส่งไป
มันซื้อคู่ไหมครับ
อะไรนะ
หรือซื้อตัวเดียว
ซื้อตัวเดียว
This is one of the salesmen that worked with us continually through the entire process.
ว่าราคาทำไม
So
ต่างกัน
he and the lady
นั่น
that
แหละเพราะเขานำมา
designed our kitchen for us, they pretty much spent 2 full days
แล้ว
with
รา
us.
คาทางนี้ไม่ลดเลยอย่างนี้นะแล้ว
And they helped us find all the various different things that we were looking for. So the next one,
สวัสดีค่ะ
Study Craft, the next one that we purchased was something that I didn't know people around here were doing, but we got the whole house filtration system that is carbon filtered, and it'll filter the entire house. It goes through this and then into a tank such as this one right here that'll be up on the second floor. At least I think that's what the case is right now. It's still yet to be determined. And we went with an upgraded pump that's somewhat like this one, but twice as strong. They don't have it in the store, so we had to upgrade to that. And then the other thing we got is this water, Mazuma water purifier that goes under the sink. So we'll be able to use our own drinking water in the house. So that was a big deal to me. We won't have to be buying bottled water all the time. And this is the newest, state-of-the-art, new, just came out. And it was marked down from $10,500 to $8,490. So we have hot water heaters, and we also have the overhead showers. And they said I have to go with the biggest one because of the rain shower head and the other wash. And then throughout the house we have 6 Samsung air conditioners, 3 of which are $24,000 and the other 3 are $18,000. And they'll look like this style right here. They're whisper, quiet sound. And they look pretty good too. I think the bottom one is only 18,000. Yeah, it says 18,000. So 3 will be like that, and 3 will be the bigger that they don't carry in the store. They had the special order. Okay, we found now the washing machine for doing her clothes. Got the biggest one they have in the store, and it has 23 cubic feet, I think. And it's quite big. And I noticed when we were looking around that it has a little spinner deal here, so your detergent doesn't get tied up in the machine. It actually spins and rinses it right out of there. So it's a pretty nice machine. And the other thing that they convinced us to go with is all the controls in the back here, so you're not dragging your clothes over them. So
That's bigger than.
yeah, this is the biggest they have in the
23
store.
kilograms.
Yeah.
That is 19.
Yeah. All right. Okay, the other thing we bought, because we have so much floor space in the house, we got this robot that goes around and vacuums everywhere in the house, and it docks onto this machine right here, and it charges, and it also sucks up the debris that the robot has collected as it's going throughout the house. So we had the option to get this cheaper one that doesn't automatically go back to a charging dock, and it also doesn't clean it once it's done. So we wanted to get the best one, obviously, because there's so much floor space, hard to keep it all clean. I'm going to video everybody here. These were very helpful staff when we were here looking for our bed. So she's the one that helped us with the bed. Yeah. So we ended up going with this bed right here. Slumberland. It's very comfortable. It's kind of medium firm. And with the purchase, they threw in the 2 pillows, the little round pillows there, and a sheet setup. Oh, it's kind of cool because it's got, you can unzip this upper part to clean it, and the mattress part is still in place. So you can take this off and clean. And it also has another waterproof one that goes underneath that, in case there's anybody that ever has an accident or spills something on it. Thank you very much, Sweaty Crop. P-Mai? Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, we bought 2 of these computer tables here, one for me and one for Jai. They're pretty good size, and they have plugs on the end down here. You can plug in 4 items. Pretty good deal. And the computer chairs, I already got mine. I took it home, and Jai ordered hers. So more to come. All right, this is the guy that helped us with the treadmill. And this is the treadmill that we selected. It's the biggest one, and it's made for heavier guys, 130 kg. So, works for me. And he was very helpful with us.
You can have time to get go in. Time to แล้วก็เลข 2 time to get go in ติดกันหมดเลยค่ะ time แล้วก็เลข 2 ก็ go in มาโชว์หน่อย
Okay, this is the microwave oven and convection oven that we got. And she was very helpful because she speaks English, so she helped me a lot. Okay, and then the cooktop was like this one right here.
ใช่ใช่ค่ะ
Okay.
กับเครื่องดูดควันตัวนี้แต่ว่าเป็นสีสตีล
This cooktop and this
สีสแตนเลสสตีล
fan.
different color
Yeah. Okay, we finished up getting our video inside and sharing with you all the materials that we got for the work going on in our house. So hopefully you appreciate or like what we shared with you. If you'd reach down there to the bottom and mash that like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. It won't cost you anything and it helps our channel with the algorithm. Thank you very much for your time. Bobby and Jai, time to get going.
out
Out.